Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick demo of the latest version of Sensei's ZeroConf channels. I was able to add some peer management to it. So with ZeroConf channels, you don't want to automatically accept inbound channels from people you don't know or don't trust because you could potentially lose funds. And so to properly implement ZeroConf, you need a way to have some sort of peer directory or some way to have a whitelist of pub keys that you approve or that you trust when they try to open ZeroConf channels to you. And so in Sensei, I have set up 3 nodes. John, this is my node, and Alice and Bob. And if we log into Bob's node and go to his peer directory, we can see he has my node listed, my pub key, and he says it marked as accept ZeroConf. So if I try to open a channel with him, he should accept it without any confirmations. And he can easily toggle this back and forth between requires confirmations and accept ZeroConf. So let's leave this on accept ZeroConf for Bob. And if we log into Alice's node, we can see that she has nothing in her peer directory. So she hasn't set up any whitelist or is not accepting ZeroConf. So by default, she will require confirmations. So if we log back into my node, I have 100 million sats. Let's open a channel to Alice, who does not have me on her whitelist. So 50,000 sat channel. We can see I refresh this page. It still says pending confirmations. So she's waiting for confirmations because she doesn't trust me. If I try to open a channel with Bob, to 50,000 sat channel, and I refresh the page, there we go. It's automatically ready because we listed my node, John's node, as a node that he trusts and he's willing to participate in ZeroConf channels with me. So yeah, that's the demo. I think we're ready to merge this into Sensei. Would love some feedback and excited to iterate on it.